All over the world is making money with cryptocurrency. So why not you? Are you looking for a method to make money with cryptocurrency? Or you want to make profit with cryptocurrency in 2021? Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Expert channel. In today's video, I will cover how to make money or how to make profit with cryptocurrency. So let's get started. In 2021, with digital currency, or we can say cryptocurrency, lots of people are making money or making profit by selling, buying and stacking their coins. So why you should not be the one? As suppose you are on cryptocurrency daily, you are trading, and you have a plan to hold a coin for a long term, like 1 year, 2 year, 5 year. So why you should not make profit? Why you should not get interest daily with a coin that you have a plan to hold it for a long term? As we have many decentralized exchanges like CaramelSwap, Pancakeswap, Swap. These decentralized exchange provides you the best they provide the best platform that you can stake your coin and you can make daily interest. As I'm making profit by holding my $1,000 on CaramelSwap and daily earning $20 from 1,000. If you have lots of funds, then invest 5,000 and get daily $100, monthly 3,000. So there are many methods to make profit with cryptocurrency. Like you can buy and sell a coin in a profit, like you can stake your coin on a Binance or any other exchange or decentralized exchange. But in today's video, the simplest method and the only one method that I'm going to show you is CaramelSwap.finance decentralized exchange website. Okay, you should come to this website and go to forums. As in previous video, if you watched my video, I just guide you how you can stake your BNB on CaramelSwap and get daily profit. And even I uploaded a video how to stake your Dogecoin to get lots of profit. Here you can see a Dogecoin which give you 8,000. On that video there was 40,000, but now it's 8,000%, and BNB near to 700%. So at first you need to connect your Metamask. Just click on Metamask extension and reload the page. Okay, your Metamask wallet is connected with CaramelSwap. Okay, at first here you can check I'm making profit with CaramelSwap, $16 in 3 days. Till now I just earned 379 CaramelSwap coin, which is male coin. And you can see the current price of male coin, as because of today's market condition, the price of CaramelSwap just comes down. So at first you need to transfer BNB from your Binance or any other exchange website to CaramelSwap or to your Metamask. Once you transfer your BNB to Metamask, then here simply watch the previous video how you can stake your BNB here. So stake your BNB and get daily profit on CaramelSwap.finance. As I'm making profit here, you can check. And if I scroll down and let's check CAC and Dogecoin, still I get 2094 male coin. Here I just earned $47 here and $61 here, which is near to $110. So why you should not earn profit, although you want to stake your coin for long term and you don't want to sell that in a short term? Like as you know, holding a coin for a long term can give you lots of profit. in business, in a cryptocurrency, passion is profit. If you have passion, hold the coin, stake your coin. Don't put it on any exchange website. Just stake the coin at least to get profit. Even you can stake your coin on a Binance as well, but CaramelSwap or any decentralized exchange website can give you much profit. So this is the method to make money or to make profit with cryptocurrency, or by staking your coin on decentralized exchange. So don't forget to do this method. Don't forget. If you are a holding person, if you are holding your coin, just do this method, stake your coin and make profit daily. So our video just end up here. If you like this video, just hit the like button, and if you want to make profit, if you want to make money daily with cryptocurrency, then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video. So till the next video, goodbye, see you.